Okay, I'm back with this thing. Now pour the coffee powder inside it. Hmm. Just a little bit, eat it, right? Hmm. But that doesn't matter at all. Let me wait. And I forgot. So a little bit of coffee powder I forgot. Okay. Okay. Crush a bit more. See these things? Now store them. Now here it is. Your coffee powder is ready to serve. So here it goes. I only got a little bit of it because others of these my mama was not that careful at all. She kept it on the table and she saw that it was like trash and the maid put it in the dustbin. My mom did not say that it was trash. That's all. Part 2 coming soon. Bye.